LBV here with a language change tutorial for bright memory. Let's get into it. All right, first what you're going to do is go to the cog icon. It's the second from the bottom. And then you're going to click on the speaker icon, which is third from the bottom. And then you're going to go to the sixth option on the top there. That's your language change. I already have it as English, so I changed it back to simplified Chinese for y'all for demonstration purposes. So that concludes the tutorial for bright memory language change to English, or if you want to change it to simplified Chinese, there you go. Hope this tutorial helped you guys out. And once again, it's those vibes, y'all. Peace.